There are many Roku products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Rokus from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Replacement Remote Control Roku. Rating 4.5. Pack of 2 remotes. 2-pack remote control can solve your home backup remote control needs. Infrared remote, no pairing or programming needed. Just insert 2 PCS AAA batteries to get it to work. Batteries and manual are omitted. The TV remote is not compatible with Roku Stick, Roku Streaming Stick, Roku Box 1/2/3/4, HD/LT/XS/XD, Roku Ultra, Roku Express, Roku Premiere, or Roku Player, TCL TV, Hisense TV on TV, Sharp TV, Element TV, and Sanyo TVs. Get to favorite apps quickly with shortcut buttons, and it has 4 shortcut buttons: Disney, Netflix, YouTube, Hulu. Precisely controls far from 10 meters to 30 feet, and it supports over a total of 160,000 clicks for all buttons via approved tests. Number 4. Roku Ultra 2025. Rating 4.5. Ultra speedy streaming. Roku Ultra is 30% faster than any other Roku player, delivering a lightning-fast interface and apps that launch in a snap. Cinematic streaming. This TV streaming device brings the movie theater to your living room with spectacular 4K, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision pictures alongside immersive Dolby Atmos audio. The ultimate Roku remote. The rechargeable Roku Voice Remote Pro offers backlit buttons, hand-free voice controls, and a lost remote finder. Everything you love about TV, but better. The Roku experience is made for fast, easy access to the entertainment you love with a user-friendly interface. Number 3. Roku Ultra Device 4K. Rating 4.6. Enjoy a lightning-fast interface and channels that launch in a snap with the fastest, most powerful Roku player ever. Super fast startup. Stream your favorite channels like Netflix, Apple TV+, Prime Video, and more in a snap. Our best Wi-Fi. Enjoy fast, seamless TV streaming in any room in the house with our best Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Cinematic streaming. Stream in 4K, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, plus Dolby Atmos sound. Our best remote. Roku Voice Remote Pro is conveniently rechargeable with personal shortcut buttons. Private listening. Use wired or wireless headphones to crank up the volume without disturbing a quiet house. Number 2. Roku Express Streaming Device. Rating 4.7. Enjoy a seamless HD streaming experience that's perfect for new users yet powerful enough for seasoned pros. Quick guided setup. Just plug it into your TV and connect to the internet to start streaming. No power adapter needed. Watch what you love. Stream a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including 400+ free live TV channels. Standard remote. The included remote has only the buttons you need to stream, including shortcuts to popular channels. Always up to date. Get the latest features, newest channels, and more with automatic software updates. Number 1. Roku Premiere Media Player. Rating 4.7. Upgrade your streaming with a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including Roku Originals and 200+ free live TV channels on the Roku channel. Incredible picture, exceptional value. Whether you're streaming in HD, 4K, or HDR, you'll enjoy picture quality that's optimized for your TV with sharp resolution and vivid color. Tons of power, tons of fun. Compact and power-packed, you'll stream your favorites with ease, including movies and series on HBO Max, Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. Plug it in with the included premium high-speed HDMI cable, connect to the internet, and start streaming. It's that simple. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.